How to use Ignis Gems in Clash of Critters. Ignis Gems aren't a general purpose currency for upgrading your critters. They're specifically used as the premium currency for mall purchases. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the pinball, then we're gonna go to the mall. Here you're gonna see a bunch of packs and you're gonna see the currency is dollar. So all of these are like $19, these are $5, $15, $50. Now, if you have any Ignis Gems, you're gonna see that there are some packs that are, instead of dollars, you can pay with Ignis Gems. Now, I don't have any Ignis Gems, so none of the packs are actually showing up, but if I did have, some of them would show up here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.